Welcome back. Today we are making Moroccan-inspired 3-ingredient boiled semolina bread bites, a simple warm bread with a tender chew and almost no pantry stress. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 25 minutes from start to finish. Ingredient walkthrough: 2 cups fine semolina gives these Moroccan boiled bread bites their tender chew and sunny golden color. Use fine semolina so the dough comes together smoothly. 1 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the dough and the boiling water, so the bread bites taste balanced from the center to the surface. 6 3/4 cups water, divided, hydrates the semolina and gives us a gentle boil for cooking the shaped bread bites. We start the preparation by adding 2 cups fine semolina to a large shallow bowl, then sprinkling in 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. Stir them together with your fingers so the salt is evenly spread through the grains. Now that the dry mix is ready, pour in 3/4 cup warm water a little at a time while stirring. Stop as soon as the semolina looks evenly moistened and begins to clump. Once the dough has clumped, knead it in the bowl for 3 minutes. Press, fold, and squeeze until it becomes a soft, cohesive dough that holds together without dry patches. Now that the dough is smooth, cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for 10 minutes. This short rest lets the semolina absorb the water and makes shaping much easier. While the dough rests, pour 6 cups water into a wide pot and add the remaining 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. Bring it to a steady boil over medium-high heat. After the dough has rested, uncover it and divide it into 16 small pieces. Try to keep the pieces close in size so they cook at the same pace. Now roll each piece between your palms into a smooth ball. If a piece feels crumbly, press it firmly once or twice and it will come together. With the ball shaped, flatten each one into a small coin about 1/2 inch thick. Press a gentle thumb dimple in the center so the heat reaches the middle evenly. Now that the water is boiling, lower 8 dough coins into the pot one at a time. Keep the boil steady but not violent, so the pieces cook without breaking apart. Boil the first batch for 4 to 5 minutes. They are ready when they float, look slightly puffed, and feel firm when nudged gently. Once the first batch is cooked, lift the pieces out with a slotted spoon and place them on a clean kitchen towel. Let the extra water drain away for a minute. With the first batch draining, add the remaining 8 dough coins to the same boiling water. Boil them for another 4 to 5 minutes, just until they float and firm up. When the second batch is ready, lift it onto the towel with the first batch. Spread the pieces out in a single layer so steam can escape and the surface can settle. To close the cooking, let the boiled bread bites rest on the towel for 5 minutes. This firms the center slightly while keeping the texture warm, soft, and chewy. And there it is, Moroccan-inspired 3-ingredient boiled semolina bread bites, warm, tender, and beautifully simple, just like we promised at the start. Serve them right away with tea, soup, or a saucy main dish. If you enjoyed this easy recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more simple home cooking.